In this short video, I will teach you how to debug and test your Flutter iOS app on Windows. We'll be testing the app in the iOS simulator. It's super easy. This requires a CLI tool named Apollo and a remote desktop application named Spice. Installation instructions can be found in the description of this video.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's start building. One single command and it's done.
A few moments later.
Let's connect with Spice to the build machine. Once on the build machine, start the simulator and run a command to start your app on the simulator. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please subscribe.